And it's like 4 paper doilies. I love it. Love this one as well. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week and you're ready for a cracking, whoopee, crafty weekend off as well. So I'm really looking forward to spending lots of time here in the craft room. So today, Friday freebie. So you're going to get this one here. Ta-da! So let me explain it. But before I explain you the Friday freebie, I want to show you a cheeky part of the VIP lounge. Is a kit that is gone away. In fact, I think it's going out. It's gone out not long ago, a couple of days ago. So, but I'll show you the kit in just a second so you can understand it. It's part of my subscription. So let me show you the kit and then we'll be right back. Okay, before we crack on with the freebie, I just want to share. I can finally share because this is part of the VIP lounge. So I have designed 12 kits that are not on the website, and they will go specifically to the VIP members. It's like a sort of like a subscription offer that I do on my website. So every month you get a kit that is not for sale on the normal website, and that, you know, that's the whole point to be a VIP. So you've got something that is very exclusive, and also as part of that you'll get 20% off everything on the website. And also every week the members, the VIP members, get special offers that again are not shared with the rest of the other members. So I love this kit. It's probably one of my favorite. I just want to finally share with you because the kit gets sent out on the 15th of each month. So this has just gone out to the members, to VIP members, a couple of days ago. So I can finally share with you because I want it to be a surprise. So 11 pages. So it's a selection of tags, envelopes, backgrounds, pockets, all sorts. And this kit is very me. It's called Flirty Flowers because it's very floral. You've got few birds, but it's mainly floral than anything else. And I kept 2 palettes. You've got some embellishment in there. I kept a pink and green into one sort of color combination, and I got some purple and in like a dusty pink. So you've got a couple of backgrounds. Again, if you think that will be a nice journal page, love it. This is very me, very contrast. You've got contrast of the deep red with a pretty background. Some tags with these lovely birds. Some more leaves and flowers. Again, you can print the petals and create 3D flowers. That's the second color combination, so second palette. When you got the, I don't know what you see, but it's like a dusty pink and a lavender. Another background with the birds. And this is probably my favorite page, which are the embellishments. And it's like 4 paper doilies. I love it. Love this one as well. And then I've got a pillow box and some embellishments, some butterflies, and some what do you call this, like a thread things to put the ribbons. Love these butterflies. And then some postcards with some embellishments. Okay, so again, if you want to, you can join the membership. All the detail, I will put all the link down below. Friday freebie. Today I'm going to share this lovely page here. So this week we had a play with my crazy cards digital kit. So we had a play on Monday and Tuesday. We met some tags. So on the freebie you're going to get 2 of the cards that is of course part of the kit. Also 2 of the napkins card I made myself. So they're already made for you, so you can create your own tags. And of course, couple of embellishments. Those 2 are part of my lovely labels. And then it really thoughtful courtesy of Steph, she gifted us all the flowers that she made. So she gave me the permission to share the flowers with all of you guys. How to get the freebie? 2 ways. You could even join my newsletter. So this freebie is going out as we speak. So I send my newsletter every Friday 9 p.m. British time. Okay, that's how the newsletter gets sent out. Or you can join my Facebook group and you can see all the freebies that I've shared on a newsletter from the beginning to now. Okay, now you won't get, if you subscribe to this newsletter, you won't get this one, of course, because this is just gone out. But if you go on the website, antoniomakes.com/freebies, you can basically send me an email and I'll send you all the freebies that I have shared so far. And also you will receive them going forward every Friday. Okay, so considering subscribing, it's free. It's a free newsletter, 1 email a week every Friday. All the details are down below. Have a wonderful weekend. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys, and until next time, stay safe and well.